Geometry, OST, Spring 2021, question number 8. It says the table shows when the tickets for a concert are sold and the type of tickets that are sold. So again, another two-way table, right? You got when they're purchased and who buys them, right? That's your two ways of this table. So what is the probability that a randomly selected person attending the concert is an adult or has purchased the ticket in advance? This is another topic, a 12 probability. This word or is super, super huge, right? There's this thing called the general addition rule. It is on your formula sheet. It's the very last thing. But this is where the or comes into play. So in this case, right, we want to know what is the probability that we have an adult or purchased in advance. So adult is going to be our A, and in advance is going to be our B. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the probability of an adult or advanced. So I'm putting a V for advanced. Equals, well, it's the probability of A, the probability of being an adult, plus the probability of B, of buying an advance ticket, sorry about running out of space, minus, and we're going to subtract them both together, the probability of being an adult and buying an advanced ticket. Okay, so again, I wrote this terribly. It should be left to right, right? But so it goes. So to find this probability, first we need to figure out all the adults, right? And now I know it says probability, but when you use a two-way table, you can just look at the column and the rows, right? So where are all the adults? All the adults are right here. Total number of adults, 148. Then we can add to that all of the advanced tickets. Well, advanced is right here. All the advanced tickets is 140. But then if you look here, right, we need to subtract the and, where you have the adults and the advanced. If you were to kind of draw a line to the total for adult and the line for the advanced, you see those two lines crisscross? That 100 are all the adults and advanced ticket purchasers. We need to subtract that because that 100 people, those 100 adults, are in the adult total and in the advanced ticket purchase total. So they're really being counted twice in these two numbers. So we need to subtract them once. And then we always take this out of the grand total. This is how we get our probability. If we were just going to do the top only, that would be the count. That would be the number of people who were adults or advanced only. But the probability has to be divided by the grand total. That's where the probability comes into play. So we simplify the top. So I'll bring down the calculator. So over here we'll do 148 plus 140 minus 100. So that's going to be 188. So we're doing 188 out of 250. And when you take 188 and divide it by 250, you get 0.752. And that's what I'd write down. I would just type out 0.752. No rounding necessary. So that is the general addition rule when you're doing an OR probability.